Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a riveting topic, how to train your own machine learning model. Machine learning, an integral part of artificial intelligence, enables systems to learn and improve from experience. It's about creating algorithms that allow computers to evolve behaviors based on empirical data. As we delve deeper, we'll unravel how you can harness this power to create your own intelligent applications. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tech tutorials and deep dives. The first step in training your machine learning model is to define the problem you want it to solve. You see, a clear problem statement is the foundation of a successful machine learning project. It's like your North Star guiding you through the complexities of data collection, algorithm selection, and model training. Be specific, concrete, and concise in this step. The problem could be anything from image recognition to natural language processing, or even predicting stock prices. Once you've identified your problem, you need data, lots of it. Think of data as the fuel that fires up the engine of machine learning. In most cases, you'll be looking for historical data, or what we sometimes call labeled data, to train your model. This could be a collection of images with descriptions, a database of customer behavior, or a history of stock prices, depending on your specific problem. But simply collecting data isn't enough. You've got to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty with some data cleaning. This process involves handling missing values, dealing with outliers, and transforming variables. Following this, we get into data preprocessing. This includes scaling and normalization, encoding categorical variables, and feature selection. These steps help to ensure that our data is in the best possible shape for our machine learning model to digest. Remember, garbage in, garbage out. Cleaning and pre-processing this data is a crucial step to ensure your model's accuracy. Next, you'll need to select an appropriate machine learning algorithm for your problem. Machine learning algorithms are the brains behind your model. They're the rules and computations that allow your model to learn from data. There's a wide range of algorithms to choose from, including simple ones like linear regression and decision trees, or more complex ones like neural networks. Your choice will depend on the nature of your problem, the type and amount of data you have, and the insights you wish to gain. Now, once you've chosen your algorithm, it's time to split your data. This is a vital step in machine learning because it helps you measure your model's true performance. Your data will be divided into two sets: a training set, which you'll use to train your model, and a testing set, which you'll use to evaluate its performance. This helps you measure how well your model generalizes to new, unseen data. Now comes the fun part. You'll feed your training data into your chosen algorithm, and it'll start learning from the data patterns. This is the process of training your model. It involves a series of iterations where the model makes predictions on the data and adjusts its parameters based on the errors it makes. It's like a student learning from their mistakes. The goal is to minimize these errors, thus improving the model's ability to make accurate predictions. Once your model is adequately trained, we move on to evaluation. This is where your testing data comes into play. You introduce this unseen data to your model and let it make predictions. The model's performance is then evaluated based on how accurate these predictions are. You'll use metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall to assess how well your model is doing. These metrics give you an idea of the model's effectiveness and help you identify areas for improvement. If your model isn't performing up to your expectations, don't worry, it's common. This is the stage where we fine-tune and optimize. It's like tuning a musical instrument to get the perfect sound. We adjust the hyperparameters, experiment with different algorithms, or even feed more data to improve its performance. Once we're satisfied with the performance, it's time to deploy the model. Deployment is like launching a rocket into space. The model starts its journey from the confines of your computer to the real world, where it gets integrated into an application or a system. But remember, once the model is deployed, our job isn't over. It's just the beginning of a new phase, monitoring and updating. Like a vigilant guardian, we need to keep an eye on our model's performance in the wild, and when necessary, we update it, ensuring it continues to work accurately. After all, in the ever-changing world of data, staying up to date is crucial. It's essential to continuously monitor your model's performance in the real world and update it as needed to maintain accuracy. And there you have it, folks, a step-by-step guide on how to train your own machine learning model. We've walked through defining a problem, collecting and preparing data, selecting an algorithm, splitting data, training, evaluating, tuning, deploying, and even monitoring your model. Remember, the journey of mastering machine learning is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about continuous learning and experimentation. So keep practicing, keep refining, and keep exploring. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy machine learning.